Okay, let's look at the homework 1.6, 2.2, problem number 12. Right? So we want to evaluate the limit tangent of 4x over tangent of 5x as x approaches 0. Right? So let's do that. Alright, so start with x equals 0.1, so we just have to plug it in, so we need a help with a calculator or some kind of software, so I'm going to just do that. Alright, so I'm going to just define a function using GeoGebra. Alright, so at the input, I'm going to put the f of x, and then you put a colon and equals. And the function was tangent of x. Then we're dividing it by, tangent of 4x actually, and dividing by tangent of 5x. Right, so 5x. Right, so hit enter. Alright, so that's an interesting picture. So we're looking for f of 0.1. And type that, so it came out to be 0.77, but we need to get a little bit more precision, so I don't know how many. Let's go back. All right, so we want to six decimal places, so we're gonna go back to, right, so make it option and rounding. Alright, 6 decimal places, so I'll probably do 10 so that we can see enough. Alright, so you can see that it's a 0.773918 would be the answer. So let's type it in. Alright, so it was 0.773918. Alright. Then we try x equals -1 as well, so let's do that. Alright, so it's f of -0.1 and do that. Alright, so actually we get exactly the same value, so I'm going to just put it in. Alright, so the value was, let's see if we can, yep, 0.773918. Right, so let's submit that. Okay, it came back and looks like we got these values correctly. All right, so let's go to the second part. All right, so we want to put x equals 0.01, so let's do that. Okay, so we type in f of 0.01, and then we can get the value, and also f of -0.01, and we got this value. Right, so you have 7.997560. Right, so let's type it in. Alright, so the value was it's a 0.799760. Right, and it's got the same value here as well, so 0.799760. Right, so let's check the answer. Alright, so we got the part 2 correctly. Alright, so same way, it's we're gonna try x equals 0.001 and also -0.001. Alright, so let's try that. Alright, so we're gonna do f of 0.001 and calculate that, and also f of -0.001. Alright, compute that. Alright, so you can see that you have these values, and I'm going to just type it in. Alright, so the value was 0.799998. Alright, and the same here, 0.799760. 99998. All right, so let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got the part 3 correctly. All right, part 4. All right, looking at these example values, and we can see that the limit as x approaches 0 is going to be, that converges to, you can see that it's almost 0.8. So I'm gonna just put the 0.8. All right, same here, 0.8. All right, so let's check. I submit. All right, looks like we got this one correctly as well. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.